Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. Buying a car is not a very easy decision, and one of the important factors has to be the safety on board. So in today's video we'll present you 5 vehicles that obtain a surprising crash test result by the EURONCAP Safety Center. So we'll start with the most unsafe vehicle from the test, getting to the safest vehicle ever built. So on the 5th place with only 1 star of rating protection is the 2018 Jeep Wrangler, which despite of his big proportions offers only 50% protection rate for the adult occupant and just 69% for the child, getting the worst result from our video, demonstrating that big does not mean also safe. And 2 stars goes for the iconic American muscle car, the 2017 Ford Mustang, that with only 72% of adult protection and a very poor 32% for child protection gets the prize for the second worst vehicle in our video, which despite of the fact that is a modern vehicle, his structure offers a weak protection. In the middle, with just 3 stars, we have a small vehicle coming from Korea, the tiny Hyundai i10, which with a 69% of adult protection and 75% child protection obtains a better overall score than the other 2 much bigger vehicles, but not enough to be called a very safe vehicle. And with a 4 star of rating protection, we have a very modern and advanced full electric vehicle, the BMW i4. Launched back in 2022, the German luxurious vehicle obtains the same 87% of protection for the adult and for the children, not as good as other full electric 4-door sedans, like for example the Tesla Model 3, which obtained a maximum of 5 stars. And now, ladies and gentlemen, maybe the safest vehicle on the roads. Coming from Sweden, the already famous Volvo XC90 model, which with an almost perfect 97% of adult protection and 87% of child protection can be considered one of the safest vehicles ever tested by the EURONCAP authority. And as an interesting fact, until 2018 nobody died in a Volvo XC90 on the United Kingdom territory. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our video till the end, and if you like it, please hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more new upcoming videos.